I know what it's like to be trained by an organization for one purpose: to kill. And the kind of loyalty that it can inspire.
Oh, they must be real proud of their masked delinquent.
Yeah, they think I'm dead.
You heard a friend of mine. Where I was, they have you choose a new name. I chose Ta'ir al-Safal. It's Arabic for canary.
Ross listens to you, and you can ask him to release me. My father's never released anyone from the League.
After the freighter, a member of the League rescued me, took me in. They remade me into what I am, and I swore them my allegiance.
Let him come. I'm not the girl he knew on the island. I don't have a choice. I'm not that easy to kill.
Your soul is divided by your ability to kill and your desire to show mercy.
You're lucky I wasn't aiming for your heart.
Take care. If I hadn't done unforgivable things to survive, I never would have made it out the other side.
You can't save a city with forgiveness.
Where have you been? Doesn't matter. Why did you come back? I don't know. There isn't anything here for me.
That's the thing about Sara and Lance.
Poor Sara. How many times are you gonna watch her die?
She never stays dead for very long.
I have to be able to do something.
Why are you crying, Sara?
I'm damaged. You've done nothing wrong. I've had time to learn who I am. You can't erase your past, Sara, so just erase it. And what it is I meant to do.
Who was that? That's the Canary.